Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Plus and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the HAYLOU Fun application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. On it, find the icon called Mine and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on it there should be HAYLOU Solar Plus. Tap on it to select it. Here scroll down, find the Unbind button and tap on it. Then tap on Confirm. And the watch will disappear from the device page. It will also reset itself to the factory default settings. And now we need to also go to settings and remove it from our list of paired devices. So find the settings icon. Once you open the settings, tap on Bluetooth. On the list of my devices you will see HAYLOU Solar Plus. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device. And then close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.